In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a distributor for Sam's Club products easily in 2026, step by step. To get started, go to the Sam's Club website and sign in to your account. This makes it easier to browse products, view full listings, and access the most relevant purchasing details. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to look up the product you want to buy in bulk. Try to be specific with your search so you can quickly narrow down the exact item you're interested in. When you find the product, open the product page and take a close look at the details section. This is where you'll usually find useful information about the item, including the brand name or manufacturer. In some cases, the brand may also be visible on the product images or packaging, so it's worth checking both the description and the photos carefully. After you've identified the brand name, the next step is to visit the brand's official website. You're looking for sections such as authorized distributors, wholesale, or where to buy. These pages often list approved sellers or distribution partners and can save you a lot of time compared to searching randomly online. If the site has a wholesale contact form, that can also be a good place to start. If you can't find any distributor information on the brand's website, contact the manufacturer directly. Many brands are willing to point buyers toward approved distributors, especially if you're interested in bulk purchasing. Keep your message clear and professional, and mention the product you're interested in along with your general purchasing needs. If your goal is not just to buy products but to sell products through Sam's Club, you'll need to apply through Walmart's supplier portal. Complete the supplier application and provide the required business information. Just keep in mind that approval isn't guaranteed, and all applications go through Sam's Club's supplier review process. Before choosing a distributor, compare pricing, minimum order quantities, and shipping options. A lower price isn't always the best deal if the minimum order is too high or delivery terms don't work for your business. It's also important to verify the distributor before placing any order. Check business credentials, read customer reviews, and confirm that they are truly authorized by the manufacturer. Once you've confirmed pricing, availability, and delivery terms, you can go ahead and place your order. Following this process helps you find a more reliable distributor and reduces the risk of working with unverified suppliers.